so. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my post the same.
Off. Foristo is here, let's go. Foristo, coming face first thing in the morning, how are you?
Right, okay, there's two things. There's nothing faster than a guy in a rush driving a white Transit. That's the first thing. There ain't a faster car on the planet. But also, I learnt that in the wet, on cold tyres, Transits don't have great braking ability. You know that bit coming on where they've done the tunnel up the road?
Yeah.
So there's always one, leaving it to the last minute because they put it down to one lane. There's always one who decides to go, I'm going to go all the way down the outside and jump in. He gets on his anchors, the guy in front of me has to get on his anchors. So I'm like, all right, well, I'll jam on the brakes, all it does is skid. It didn't slow down, it just skidded. So I was like, I'll pick the car in front or choose the cones. So I went for the cones, I went down the side of him on the cones. So yeah, that's been the start to my morning. And
we've got fuel.
We've actually got fuel.
We're
not in the Transit, but we got fuel in the can.
We're in Boris.
Yes.
The bullet dodging.
Reliable. The most reliable car in our fleet, I reckon, is Boris.
And the reason why we've got Boris is because we're going to collect a new car collection day.
Well, it is.
But
I'm so
Boris,
excited about that.
Even though he said, "Oh, it's drivable."
Well, that's right. Well, I don't think we'll give the game away just yet because all we've done is look around it in the dark, haven't we? We haven't actually
We haven't tested it.
Haven't tested it, nothing like that. So I'm buying it blind a little bit. I have seen it, but not very well. So it's a car I've wanted for some time. But we bought Boris just in case we need him. It's a safety precaution, but this car is Japanese and it's got 67,000 miles on the clock. So really, it should be just good to go, shouldn't it?
It should be.
Japanese cars are like reliable anyway.
We'll find out when we get there.
We'll find out. Oh.
Flipping freezing.
Why is it always? It seems unless we only get extremes of temperature, don't we? It's either bloody hot or it's freezing cold.
Or windy.
Or someone starts a car up just when you just better start filming.
Oh, I don't know.
Anyway, it's from 1970. I found out a couple of things on the way back actually. It's only a 4-speed. I was going for a 5th gear. There isn't a 5th gear. It's from 1970. It's a 6-cylinder. What else should we say about it? 2-door coupe. It's a revered Japanese icon. And I've been desperate to get hold of one for ages. And I found one. It's got 67,000 miles on the clock. Here it is. It's fucking freezing. Anyway, so here it is. As you would have seen in the montage, it's a 1970 Datsun 240Z. You just Google it on the internet. They're one of the most iconic Japanese-looking cars.
All I can say is when they're done up.
When they're done up,
that is boggo.
It is bog standard. Even the Wolf Race wheels were a factory option.
Are they Wolf Race?
Yeah, Wolf Race slot mags. Look at those.
They're awful.
Fucking hideous, aren't they? So they were an option, but the lines of the car, like, it's samurai, if that makes sense. But they did do a samurai special edition. It is so Japanese.
It looks like an MGB.
Oh mate, don't do that to me. I like to think it's a little bit E-type, like, you know, but in a Japanese sense. It is a gorgeous shape. Over the next couple of months, it's going to go from how it looks at the moment, and you're going to see some stark differences. The vehicle's getting a wrap. I'm not going to paint it because I don't want to ruin the paint that's on there. It's only got 67,000 miles of original paintwork, so it's going to get a wrap, set of wheels, probably a set of arches, and next year we're going to do a motor swap on it. But I'm going to give you more of that information later. But when they're done, go Google the images. They're absolutely beautiful when they're done. This car is up and running. It's got a few little niggles. It's 50 years old. Remember,
niggles.
Yeah, it's a 50-year-old car, right?
So for what they're going for, money-wise, it's actually quite a
very
good deal.
Valuable. Yeah, I've got a good deal. They're very valuable because they're sought after, decent ones, and because this is an original car, it's not been messed about with too much. it's all right. But driving it back, a car that's 50 years old, I've got a lot of old cars, but you realise really quite how sort of unrefined stuff can be. Nonetheless,
So I'm under the engine. Go on.
have a look at this, right? So, how the fuck? There we go.
That's open.
Look at that.
That's actually
It's quite neat, isn't it?
it's neat, very orange and
I think,
yellow.
what's this do? This must lift up. Oh, look at that. And that's where you top up your screen wash.
And they made it out of metal.
That's a bit James Bond, isn't it? I've one over there, the battery's there. So, as you can see, she's got a few bits that need
I did
doing.
notice this was cool the other day. It's actually a torch to work on.
Yeah, check it out, right? So, I love these little things, and you get a pop, there you go. And then you just go off and fix your car. I mean, little things like that, they don't do stuff like that anymore. But in modern cars, because modern cars don't break, right? No, they do. So, so it's the car's like 90%, 95% like complete. There's a few little bits the guy was planning to do on it when I bought it. He said, "Oh, you make sure you do this and make sure you do that." And I was like, "Dude, don't worry. Like, it's gonna get completely gone through." But as a complete car, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's
pretty good.
There's not any rot really.
No,
There's a bit of
no
filler.
rust on it.
There's a bit of filler here and there, but
Yeah, I mean, there was a couple of bits of filler that I would have preferred not to have seen, but we're not talking like it's had a side on it. It's got a few dents in the side.
It's old.
It's old. It's 50 years old, let's remember.
your Escort was worse than this when you first got it.
Crikey, was it? Yeah. And she looks like tip-top now.
Yeah,
so
so
it just takes
don't
time
worry.
and a bit of effort, you
It's
know.
not as if you're going to sell it like next week, are you?
No way. I mean, look at it. Look. There's no rot anywhere around it's just dust on the struts and everything. Really, really, really tidy example. So,
I reckon we should just go for a bit of a drive and see what it goes like.
yes.
But look at my seat.
Well, it's old, isn't it? There's no fucking real thing. It's just a strap.
Caught on something there.
No, it's a little hook for it.
Oh right, there's a hook for it. I'm trying to drag it across and
Look, and then you just adjust.
look, the geezer wasn't particularly small that had this before.
Look, I will do it for you if you're struggling. Here you go, look. I think is that.
Is that it? Is that?
Yeah.
Well, there is no. If you go into an accident,
I'm not
Right.
planning on it.
but if you were to have an accident, look, you ready? That's it.
That's all you got, brother.
You can't pull it to fucking. Sorry.
Well, anyway, welcome back. So we're in the Datsun, the 240, the legendary 240.
It's got choke.
It's got a choke, because carbs, for the youngsters out there.
There's a hell of a lot missing.
Yeah, well, we'll get round to that, yeah. All of that, he was reconditioning it, and it's all sort of missing. You'll probably see the shots of that later.
Yeah.
But the ignition barrel, which I was told was intermittently faulty, excuse my hair, because I've had a hat on all morning. Wow.
Is that your heater button?
That's the fucking
Right,
heaters,
hang on,
mate.
hang on. I'm going to have to do this. Okay, I know it's not what we normally do, but I'm going to have to show you this. The heater button is that.
Well, yeah, because all the dash panels in the back, I've got to put it back together.
There's no.
I can't wait for that. I'm proper excited about putting it back together. Oh, it's going to be so good. So, but the guy told me it was intermittently faulty, the ignition barrel.
I'll get that as well while I'm here, shall we?
So the ignition key doesn't
I hate that.
switch off.
I think it's been robbed in the past,
Don't be saying that.
and you just paid whatever amount of thousands.
Yeah, you better cut that out.
Yeah, I better cut that out.
500 quid.
500 quid.
Oh! Now, stay warm because the heaters aren't great. The reason being is that none of it's hooked up because it's all in the back, so we'll sort it out.
Great.
But the intermittent ignition barrel problem actually is a permanent ignition barrel problem, and I'll have to unplug the ignition barrel, like so.
Yeah.
Bit of choke, because you've got to start it.
Yeah,
bit more choke. Hang on.
All right.
Music. Oh, a little bit, dial a little bit, there's choke up. Oh, that's good. I love little bits like that. Wipers, look, here we go.
Oh, they're incredible.
And they auto stop, you don't have to stop them. And off we go.
They auto stop.
They stop, yeah, because on old cars, you have to turn the wipers off at the point when they're at the bottom of the screen.
I get the car. Yeah.
The
But
seating position, we're all laid back.
Right, fair enough. Let me get my point out. I don't
Go
care
on,
about
go on.
that, right? So I get the car,
Yeah.
but as a standard car, it's ugly, isn't it?
We're talking about 1970. I mean,
Still reminds me
What?
of an MGF.
what was... Please
Or is it
don't,
an
that really
MGF?
hurts
Is it
me.
an MGF or an MGB?
None of them, they're fucking horrible.
It doesn't sound like it's sporty.
a 67,000 mile car. Yeah, but remember, this was designed for like, it's a two-seater car. It was designed, it was sporty back in the day. 150 horsepower in 1970 was what the Jaguar. What was the Jag doing? What was he like? And what was it? You know about Jags? What's
like 3.6 litres, 4 litres, straight sixes, wouldn't they?
Right, but yeah, I mean, I don't know loads about them, but I would imagine that would. I don't know. Something like a 2.4.
I bought a car, I don't know.
I don't know much about it.
Is that why it's called a 240? Because it's got a 2.4?
Well, that's my presumption, but I don't know if that's the case.
So you just went, I want one that looks like that. Please.
Yeah, I was just desperate to have one. And
have you noticed what you're feeling here? Is you feel like that?
Exactly. Well,
why?
Yeah, because it's a coupe.
Why is it like it's going to take off?
Because it's a coupe. Look,
what? Every coupe you get into wants to take off?
No, a coupe, right?
Everything's angled.
A sports coupe should look fast sitting still, and this does. Like, you're sat right in the back, you feel like you're piloting something. There's a great long nose on it, and
shame that it's not fast when it's going.
Well, it ain't. But yeah, but we're 50 years down the line now. There's diesel taxis that are fast in this.
What the hell is that?
I don't know.
That looks like.
No, does it? I don't know what it is. I don't want to touch
Let me
it.
press it. Look, it's flash. Well, that don't work.
It's broken.
It don't work.
They're a bit excitable, aren't they?
What, the
wipers? Sometimes they're slow, sometimes they're fast.
I don't know.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
The full force.
Let's feel the force.
Yeah. Another gear.
That's all you get.
That's it. That's fourth. I don't really want to go any faster than that, thanks. That's 60.
I bet that's fucking lying to you and all.
It may be. I did wonder that actually.
That didn't feel like 60. We were lucky to scrape 40 there.
Oh, leave her alone.
Yeah, no.
It ain't fast. It's like the opposite of fast.
It is the opposite of you. You get a car that's fast.
Yeah.
You don't get a car just because of how it looks. And to be fair, it don't look great.
Cannot believe this.
It don't.
I don't know why I take the abuse of
great.
It will look great.
It will look great.
You've got to have visions,
Yeah,
Stu.
you've got visions, but just get it done.
Alright, I will.
It's like one of your cars that you buy, you leave on your drive, and you go, oh, you know what, I'm a bit bored of that. Now I'll just get rid of it.
Right, the Golf R. I'll give you that, the Golf R.
Right. Well, go on.
That's it.
Wow.
Look, my foot is in the carpet.
Mate, I could get in. I'm going to drag race you in some really crap cars against this.
It's a sports car.
It's not a sports car. It looks like a sports car. It's not a sports car.
This time next year,
this
car will be in the tens, at the pods, drive to and from.
You reckon?
Yep. No, I'm not the capability of doing that. I'm not saying I would do that.
So let's check this out. Even though it is slow as crap, this was actually quite funny. So we're going to have a look. You've left your lights on, so I'm sure that'll last all of 2 minutes. But the basis, oh, you dirty.
You dirty.
You dirty, horrible. But the basis of it is great.
It's
and
a great
it will look cool, and they are cool
platform,
cars.
isn't it? And they are. They're super cool. But I think the plan is, as much as she looks like, well,
she's green and brown, mate.
She's green and brown, and that's it.
If someone said to you, "Do you want to buy a green and brown car?" What would you do?
I'd go, I don't want to pay loads of money for it. I'll wait.
Oh wait, there you go.
So anyway, but they do retain their value. So the plan is, if you can get some time to just put a couple of pictures in of what these look like when they're modified for the people that haven't seen them.
Why do you make me work, boy?
Because I think you look like you need to.
Oh, thank you.
But the basis of the car, it's going to look parka once it's done. So I've got some I can't remember what the name of the wheels is, but I know exactly. They're like a deep dish mini light type wheel.
Yep.
Carbon fibre arches. We're going to drop the suspension down a bit, and I'm putting an LQ4 6-litre LS engine and a big single turbocharger on it. We're staying manual transmission, so that's going to be it. It's going to be a real handful, but it's going to look neat. Not going to mess with the body too much.
So you're putting a monster V8 in that with a turbo.
1,000 horsepower.
1,000 horsepower. You're going to make that 1,000
horsepower. Within a year,
horsepower.
this will be making 1,000 horsepower at the time.
But people are going to follow the build when you actually
Follow the build. Yeah.
Follow the build when you do all the stancey things.
Yeah, we're going
to
to document everything, and I will get rolling it. We're going to wrap the car as well. I will get rolling on it pretty quickly. So by Christmas, at least within a month, there's going to be some significant changes to it already.
Well,
I think the arches and wheels first, and the wrap. We may even have to do it all in one go, and it'll be wrapped up in a couple of weeks.
So send us messages below in what you've seen that you like to do to these, or
Great
what
idea.
you wanted to do, and see if he agrees with it. We're not going to say we're going to do it, but we're always up for ideas to make it a little bit different.
Absolutely.
Or whatever.
And it goes sideways.
Do you want to try Burnout?
Not here.
Not
'cause
Burnout. All right. Do you want to try Donut?
No, because if I break it, I can't get home. Maybe later on. We'll do that.
So he's going to do a donut, everyone. Just see if you can just do one little.
No, I know. I tried doing it. I tried doing it in the car park when I left you earlier, and it didn't.
Yeah,
do
but you got it sideways around the roundabout. So
I'm not going to break it. I'm not going to break it. But that's it.
All right,
That's
next
for another
time. Next time.
That's
Right.
it. That's it for the meantime. This is the first day we've got it, so this is just an introduction to it. We've got loads of other stuff coming up. Please follow us. That's it.
Cool. Another build. Ah!
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters.